ran into a couple issues. This bonding strips appears to be impenetrable. Very tough to get apart. You can see what's happened is it ripped all of the material off of this shingle. So you've got exposed fiberglass now. You can't just, the matting, everything's ripped. So this shingle can't be rebonded because it's got part of this shingle mounted to it, and this shingle's damaged. So that's essentially what's going to happen on every shingle that we try to